Python supports multithreading. Let's use the threading module to implement multithreading in Python. Import threading. Now double is a function that prints twice of a number's value, and similarly we have triple. Demo is a function. Here we create two threads, start them and join them. Then we print finished. When we make a call to demo, it prints the two multiplications and then prints finished. We have two threads active, and this is the current thread, the main thread. This is also the main thread. This is the identity of the current thread, and these are the two threads alive right now. Let's create T1 outside this function now. Is it alive yet? No. It is also not a daemon. The lock class now. L is a lock. It is an unlocked lock. If we acquire it, it is now locked. And then when we're done, we can release the lock. Import timer from threading. This is a function say. It prints hello. T is a timer that prints hello after 2 seconds.